I wanted to show you the effects of not taking certain trades. Now you notice that the price is up here at the midpoint of the first support. We would generally expect a Pesavento bar, which just now is about to happen. There it is. This is a great exit spot. Now we get a big drop here, almost a whole point and a half. And the colors change down here, and we would expect this to bounce down to 1205.50. Well, we're at least a point and a half, 2 points away, so let's take a short. Whoa, baby. Let's get out, okay, at the first support level. See a bounce back. Another bounce. Now generally this was a quick profit taking move. Next thing, there's the Pesavento bar. So we got out at 1204.50. The Pesavento bar hit at 1250. Now one thing to notice, we've had this big downswing overnight. I'll back it up here. You can see it came down a lot overnight. It came up and actually tested that high overnight and bounced back down. Now we bounce back up, and now we have a lower high. Now this is a continuation divergence right here, and so we should get in short when the color changes, because they're going to go down again. We get in short at 1206. We watch a bunch of bouncing around. One of the problems is the moving averages are flat here, but we still are getting deterioration on the short-term ergodic. Now in the midpoint of the second support, we'd be waiting for a Pesavento bar we would expect down here at the second support level. Didn't get one, but I got out right there at 1201. That's another 3 points. Still going, must be a big news event. A bounce. That was a major hedge fund profit taking. And now we're clear down here at the midpoint of the third support. So if you hadn't gotten out by now, you should. That's 1198 from 1205, which is 7-point move. Now I'm doing this after the fact to show you what if you missed one of these signals. How do you feel watching this market go like here? And you're afraid to catch the, let's say you got in short right here, you get this big up bar. You're afraid to catch a falling knife because you never know when it's going to turn around. So watch what happens here. All profit taking Pesavento bar. Now, you've got the following things. You've got the moving averages coming down. You've got this big down swoop. You've got a possibility going back to the second support. You get a Pesavento bar. What should you do? Well, if you go short again, look how fast that moves, okay? This was a big power move by the hedge funds and everybody else. And here we go again, all the way down to the midpoint of the fourth support. See how people take profits at those levels. We're still going down. I would have gotten out at the fourth support for sure. And now we get a Pesavento bar. Well, that is definitely a signal to get out. You can see that the ergodics are getting weaker and weaker on the down swoop. And you'll see you have plenty of time to get out. And now we go down for another divergence, and this is not a good time to take it. Now I'm going to run out of time on this video. We're down over 142 points. But you can see we had essentially a triple top up here, or the three mountains, if it will, and the last mountain was a big divergence from the first one at the same price, and it was a continuation divergence from the peak there. And now as you see the ergodic turning around, you want to just stay loose. I'm going to run out of time. I'm going to show you the rest of the move. Bounce back, never made it back to the 49 until the second move, and here we are still bouncing along the bottom at 1186. So when you get these big moves, the one thing I would point out, this is what I called a measured move in my course. Same distance drop, two different legs. Hope this gives you an idea of what happens when you miss a move.